Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another tutorial, and this time I'm going to show you how you can add names to people within your photos. So I'm going to open up the gallery in here, and as you can see, you're probably going to be in this library mode in the within the gallery. But in here, I want you to switch from the library to collections, which is basically like a different areas of your photos. So you have things like the map view, specific albums you created, and then there should be a section which is called people and pets, right? And this is where you manage faces and names of individual people. On this particular device, I don't have enough people saved in the gallery. Like, I don't have enough faces for this feature to work, but in your case, and if you would actually use the phone normally, it's very likely that you will see some faces in here. So I'm gonna pull up my other phone, you know, my main sort of device like that, and as you can see, when I go to the people and pets, I can see some people in here. So the way that it would work is that if you have some person which you haven't added the name to, you can click on the plus button at the top like this, and click on the button which says add people. It's going to look through the pictures of some people which you haven't added to your gallery or haven't named. So you'll have the ability to click on, for example, that person in here, click on the blue check mark to confirm it, and then now it is added to the group of people and pets. So if you go below, you should see that person in here, and you can click on it. It's going to look up all of the instances of that particular person, but you should see the button which says name this person. I'm naturally blurring out because it's like personal stuff and whatnot, but like you can click on the name this person, and then now you get to name them however you want. So you can see that is their little preview, and you can just add the name however you like it. So that is going to be about it. I hope that it worked the same way for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the next uploads in the future.